award goes to somebody who has been a very highly responsible person, helpful contributor to the school, and has involved themselves in many aspects of school life, including raising money for important causes. This student has demonstrated excellent leadership qualities and, as a positive role model, has added a lot to the school. They display a very fair and positive attitude at all times. The citizenship award goes to Roy Senate.